How to create account in Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create your Walmart account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create a Walmart account, open up your browser and then just go to walmart.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you go to walmart.com, click on the sign in button from the top right hand side, then click on sign in or create account. So basically it will ask you to simply enter the email address. So basically just make sure that you have not created an account with this before, and I'll just make sure to enter a new email address here, and then I'll click on the continue button. So over here I'll just select press and hold button over here. Once I press and hold this, it's going to actually verify this captcha for me, and now you can see this captcha will be successfully activated in this case. Now I can go ahead and then simply enter and enter other details. So basically, first of all, you want to create your first name, your last name, and then you want to simply choose a password for yourself. So let me go ahead and then simply choose a password for myself. Once I do that, just click on the option that says create account. Once you click on create account, it will also ask you to simply enter the phone number. Click on the send code button and then make sure that you receive the code on your mobile phone. So let me also go ahead and then figure out what the code actually is. And then once you enter the verification code and enter them, click on the verify and create account button, and your Walmart account will be successfully created. And that is it on how you can actually create a Walmart account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.